Put a piece of newspaper in your fridge and leave it overnight. This trick is genius. Before I tell you why keeping newspaper in the fridge matters so much, give your fridge a proper clean. Grab a bowl, pour in some water, and add a splash of vinegar. Vinegar has great cleaning and deodorizing properties, which is why it works perfectly for cleaning the fridge. Next, take a cloth, preferably a microfiber one, dip it in the water, wring it out well, and thoroughly wipe down the entire fridge, including the shelves and the door. Once your fridge is clean, it's time for the simple newspaper trick. Tear off a piece of newspaper and put it in a glass container. Pour on a little water, wait until the paper soaks it up, then roll it into a small ball. All you have to do now is place it on a shelf in the fridge and leave it for a few hours, ideally overnight. Newspaper is great at absorbing bad odors, so your fridge will start smelling normal again fast. But that's not all. It can also help when moisture builds up inside, so if you're wondering how to get rid of excess moisture in your fridge, this trick really makes a difference, because the paper absorbs the extra water. It's hard to believe a simple piece of newspaper can do so much. So if you're wondering how to get rid of fridge smells, just repeat this trick every now and then, and your fridge will smell fresh and clean without any harsh chemicals. Just one drop is enough to keep the glass shelves in your fridge clean, free from steam, stains, and streaks for an entire year. This trick really makes life easier because you can postpone cleaning your fridge. From time to time, you only need to remove crumbs. Nothing will stick anymore and steam won't settle, even if you're searching inside for a long time. It's one of the simplest and most effective methods you can try. Next time you clean, empty the fridge, take out the shelves, wash them thoroughly, and dry them. When the glass is completely dry, take a soft cloth and a tiny bit of glycerin, literally 1 or 2 drops. You can find glycerin in drugstores, and a small bottle lasts a very long time. Polish both sides of the shelves until the liquid disappears and the glass looks dry again. From that moment, the shelves won't fog up, and spilled liquids won't stick. A quick wipe will be enough, no scrubbing or removing needed. The thin glycerin layer acts like an invisible protective shield, making your fridge look freshly cleaned all the time. It's a simple trick that works like professional cleaning. I always keep a paper towel in the fridge. Some people are surprised by it, but once they try it, they realize it's a brilliant trick. Today, I'll tell you about 2 smart ways to use it. The fridge is a high humidity environment. Moisture collects on the walls, shelves, and food, which makes fruits and vegetables spoil faster and promotes mold. But there's a simple way to prevent it. Just place a paper towel on a shelf. It absorbs excess moisture and helps reduce condensation. If you wrap it around your produce, it will stay fresh much longer. Just remember to replace it regularly when it gets damp. But that's not the only clever use. A paper towel also helps eliminate unpleasant odors. Simply dampen it slightly. It works like a natural sponge for smells. For even better results, sprinkle a teaspoon of baking soda on it. The baking soda neutralizes sour and strong odors, leaving your fridge smelling clean and fresh. It's an easy, low-cost, and completely natural solution to keep your fridge fresh without any chemicals. Place a handful in the fridge, and you'll solve one problem for a long time. Just put it in a small container and place it in the fridge. This is a simple way to keep it working properly. For even better results, try this clever trick. Tear off 5 pieces of paper towel and fold them as shown in the video. Then, prepare a small bowl, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix them together. The salt effectively absorbs moisture, which is the main cause of unpleasant odors. Next, add 1 tablespoon of water and mix until you get a smooth consistency. Spread the mixture onto the prepared paper towel. The mixture will dampen the paper. Place the towel in the fridge. The baking soda and salt together will effectively absorb all the moisture and odors. Replace the towel weekly. I've been using this method for years, and I never have unpleasant smells in my fridge. Clean the inside of your fridge with this method, and you'll never have frost on its back wall again. If water droplets in your fridge turn into frost, it indicates the appliance is not functioning properly. This can lead to inadequate cooling of the stored food. There are several reasons for this issue. Frequent opening of the fridge allows too much warm and humid air inside. Setting the fridge temperature too low can also negatively affect its performance, causing condensation on the walls to freeze instead of draining away. Another reason might be placing warm, steaming food into the fridge. Finally, a worn-out door seal can contribute to the problem. Regardless of the cause, you can prevent frost buildup on the back wall. Simply dilute 3 tablespoons of vinegar in 1 liter of water and use it to clean the fridge interior. Vinegar slows frost formation because it doesn't freeze at typical fridge temperatures, and its scent evaporates quickly without affecting the stored food. Additionally, vinegar kills mold spores, eliminating any potential growth inside the fridge. After cleaning with vinegar, wipe the fridge interior with glycerin. Glycerin forms a protective layer that also prevents ice buildup and doesn't freeze in fridge temperatures. Regularly clean your fridge with vinegar and glycerin, and you'll forget about frost problems for a long time. Apply toothpaste to your fridge gasket. Mold and grime will disappear before you even finish your coffee. No scrubbing pads or stiff brushes needed. The method I'm about to show you is incredibly effective. Grab a small bowl and pour in a 1/4 cup of regular water. Warm water works great. Next, take some toothpaste. Its gentle abrasives and antibacterial properties help lift dirt effectively. Add a small amount of toothpaste to the bowl. Mix well until the paste dissolves. Now add some dish soap. It cuts through grease and helps break down stubborn grime. Add 1 tablespoon. The next ingredient is baking soda. It has cleaning, whitening, and disinfecting properties. 1 tablespoon is enough to create a powerful mixture. Stir thoroughly until everything is well combined and dissolved. Pour the finished solution into a spray bottle. Spray the fridge door gasket generously. Let it sit for about 2 minutes. Then wipe it clean with a soft cloth. The result? A clean, fresh, whiter gasket with no mold or grime. 1 simple mix and your fridge will look like new. Place a sprinkled sponge in the fridge. I'm sure you'll thank me for this. All you need is a clean sponge, the kind you usually use for cleaning. Sprinkle the sponge with baking soda. The soda effectively absorbs all the moisture and unpleasant odors. That's why the sponge works perfectly to get rid of any fridge smells. Make sure to replace the sponge regularly, and you won't have any bad odors again. Since I started using this trick, I haven't had any unpleasant smells in my fridge. Only 10% of people know about the button in the fridge that can help lower electricity bills. Your fridge has a small but very functional button that allows for energy savings. It helps reduce power consumption without affecting the quality of stored food. The fridge runs non-stop throughout the day, making it one of the most energy-hungry appliances in the house. Most models have a dial or control panel that allows you to adjust the temperature from 1 to 6. In the colder months, simply set the fridge to level 2 or 3, and if it's not too full, even to 1. This setting keeps the temperature between 2 and 5 degrees Celsius, which is ideal for fresh products, while also reducing energy consumption. In summer, when the ambient temperature rises or the fridge is more full, it's worth increasing the cooling level to prevent food from spoiling. It's a simple change that requires little effort but brings real savings. With this simple adjustment, you can significantly impact your monthly electricity bills.